This is a scenic nature walk by the banks of the Adyar River. How many of you have been there? Meet few of my friends who walk along with me. This is a stretch of around 2 kilometers with the Adyar Bridge on one side and the boat club on the other. Enjoy the nature walk in the heart of the city at Adyar. Check the location in the description. Plenty of plants on both sides. One side of the Kotturpurampark. A quick walk through the park. And back on the trail. And that's the end of the trail. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.